Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change PayPal email. If you want to add another email to your PayPal account, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the PayPal app on your home screen. Now open it. Then here you can find the profile icon at the top right corner. Now select it. Then tap onto the personal information account right here. Now tap onto the existing email of the PayPal account. Then simply tap onto the edit button right here. Now remove the existing email and type a new email that you want to add. And after typing it, simply tap onto the confirm button right here. And that's it. This is how you can change the PayPal email. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.